girl. Princess. What you doing? Princess is 10 weeks old. Her head's getting more tan. She's very active. We're training her on the leash now. Good girl. Good girl. Princess. What you do? What you do? We're gonna try walking with her now. She can't stop biting my pants. Come on, girl. Let's go walking. Let's go walking. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. No. No. Come on. Let's go. Come on. No. No. Come on. Come on. No. What? Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. We're going in a circle. Trying to go in a circle around the lawn. Good girl. And as you can see, she gets it. In a few minutes, she remembers what we're doing. And she gets it. Let's go. Come on. Come on, princess. Come on. Take your toy. Come on, take your toy. Take your toy. Let's go. No. Don't bite my leg. Take your toy. Come on. Come on, princess. Look. Look. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. Okay, hold on. This thing is around her leg here. Gotta get that fixed. Okay, good girl. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on. You can get it. You can get it. Whoa. This is not as easy as it looks. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on, princess. Come on, princess. Princess.